Today I'm going to be showing you how to cast on and do a simple knit stitch. I will be demonstrating with a chunky yarn and a size 15 circular knitting needles, but you can use 2 straight knitting needles for this would be preferred method. To begin, we do want to start with a slip knot. So take the shorter end of your yarn and hold it to the left side. Hold the part that is attached to your yarn on the right side. We have a little loop here. Now we're going to put both of our fingers in here and we're going to kind of twist it, okay? Twist it and grab the yarn that is attached to your ball of yarn and pull that up. So now we have a slip knot. We are going to put that onto one of our needles. And now we want to cast on stitches. So to do this, we are going to take our working yarn. We're going to take our index finger and our thumb like this. We're going to turn our hand, making our thumb go from the right side to the left side. Okay, just like that. And we're going to put that loop that we made onto our needle and pull our fingers out and pull that working yarn. You don't want to pull it too tight, so I'll show that to you again. Your thumb is on the right side, your index finger is on the left, and you are just going to swap those. Okay, holding your working yarn from your ball like this, we're going to turn just like that. Okay, let's do that one more time, a little bit closer. And turn and put that loop on there. So now I have 4 stitches. Let's go ahead and do that for a total of 10 stitches and meet me back here. Okay, I now have my 10 stitches on my needle. I'm going to grab my second needle and hold it to the right side. The one that has no stitches will be on our right side. So as you see here, our yarn is kind of coming out of the front area like that. And so then we have a loop right here. So what we want to do is take our right hand needle and stick it into the bottom of the stitch going from the front to the back. Okay, see how we have our loop right here? So we're going to take it from the front and push it through so it is going through the back side. So that's what it's going to look like. Your working yarn is right here. Okay, so let me show you that again closer up. We are going to take our needle and put it from the front to the back. And now we have our working yarn on this side. Now taking our right hand, we're going to want to loop this yarn around the back needle from the back to the front. Okay, so that this is what it will look like from the opposite side. You see here's our working yarn. Here's the part we just put on our needle. So now holding that with our right hand with these back fingers, we want to take our back needle and pull it through. So when we do this, I'm going to show you a little bit closer up what we're doing. We have the loop right here. This is our working yarn. We want to take the back needle and pull it through to the front, okay, just like that. So this is now our working yarn on our needle, okay, because we looped it around. So now we're going to pull that off of our needle. And now our working yarn is on our right side. So I'm going to go ahead and show this to you one more time. We are going to go from the front of the needle, push it through to the back with our right needle to the left needle, okay? So now we have our right needle on the back side and our left needle on our left side on the top. So we're going to take our working yarn, wrap it around the back right needle, okay? And now we are going to want to pull that needle through the loop that we have on our left hook or on our left needle and pull that off. Okay, so going in from the front to the back, we take our working yarn, pull it around the needle on the back side that we're holding with our right hand, pull it under and out through that loop and pull it off your needle. I'll go ahead and do that for you in slow motion. Okay, you guys, so that is how you cast on and do a simple knit stitch. I hope this was an easy tutorial to follow. Please leave me comments, let me know what you think, give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and also please remember to subscribe to my channel.